Hi, I'm Trisha at Club Scrap. Now, every month for the past 26 years, we have been releasing a page kit to our members worldwide. But we've also been having fun putting together special little themes that we release to anyone who's interested in giving us a try. Club Scrap has a brand new special release available in very limited quantities called Violet. Let's take a peek at this beautiful kit. When your box comes to the door, this is what's going to be inside. I like to call this the centerpiece of our collection. It's our beautiful paper. You can see right away we have two really stunning prints, and then we also have this all over violet print. And then to complement all of those prints, we've got our exceptional, really high quality stocks in a light purple. You get three of those, three yellow, two dark purple, two ivory, and two of this lovely golden green. So that you can make quick work of finishing your pages, we always include two 12 by 12 sheets of printed cutaparts. Now, once you separate all of these art images, you have everything you need to finish your pages, including these nice border strips to help you with your titling. We have journaling prompts, other little sentiments that you can add to your pages to make them look complete. You can embellish your pages with our coordinated ribbon. Check out this 1-inch sparkling gold. We have a yard of this double-faced purple satin and a yard of this golden silk ribbon. Your box will also include 3 of these cute little purple tags, a set of 3 embroidered flowers, 2 of these really cool bronze circular frames, and a healthy scoop of these purple gems. And I always like to remind you that we will not abandon you with just a box of beautiful things. We always support you with instructions that you can download and print at home and then follow along step by step. But if you don't enjoy reading instructions, no worries, I've got you covered with a video workshop. I'll walk you through the process of creating pages from your kit so you have no wasted time or materials. Let's take a peek at the layouts we'll make together. Here we've got our first 2 pages, and you can see I've incorporated those brass frames into each page. Here again, we have the 3rd and 4th pages. I'll give you all kinds of tips and tricks as to how to recreate these layouts exactly as you see them. There will be no guesswork. Here are the 5th and 6th pages where I feature the 3 tags that are included in the box, plus those cute little gems, the ribbon, elements from the cutaparts. As you can see, do a beautiful job of finishing these layouts. And finally, on the 7th and 8th page, we've got those embroidered flowers at work. You can see all the prints have been incorporated. Everything that came into the box creates those 8 12 by 12 pages, and they're ready for your photos. If you're a card maker and you're still listening, I just want to point out that with this special release, we have a bonus text weight print and then 2 extra bonus card cutaparts. And if you follow along with the instructions and the workshop video, you can make a dozen gorgeous thinking of you and sympathy cards using the materials when you combine the page kit with these bonus items. So be sure to go to our website and check it out. Don't forget to grab your Violet page kit and your card kit bonuses, and I look forward to seeing you in my workshops.